The studio recording of More Than Words by Extreme is in the key of G flat major, which has 6 flats. This makes it a bit challenging to play on the piano. So, to make it easier, we're learning the song in the key of F major, which has only 1 flat, B flat. This simplifies the chords and make it more beginner friendly. Additionally, F major is just 1 semitone lower than G flat, so the vocal range remains almost the same. We'll start by learning the iconic intro, which sounds like this. We'll aim to replicate the guitar sound as closely as possible so it's instantly recognizable. For reference, here's middle C on the piano. First, we'll go through the chords, then we'll cover the rhythm. Our first chord is F major, with F on the left and A, C, and F on the right. From here, we'll move our left hand note from F to A while keeping the notes on the right hand to play F over A. Next is B flat sus2 with B flat on the left and B flat, C, and F on the right. Then back to F over A. Then we have G minor 7 with G on the left and G, B flat, and F on the right. Now we'll dive into the rhythm. For our first chord F major, we'll play our left hand and then our right hand, like so. We'll do the same for F over A. We'll do this twice for B flat sus2. Next, for F over A, we'll play both hands together. For G minor 7, we'll play the left hand followed by the right hand. And we'll do this twice, followed by D on the right hand. So that's F major, F over A, B flat sus2, F over A, G minor 7. Then we have B flat major, with B flat on the left and B flat and F on the right. For this chord, we'll play the left hand followed by the right hand. Next is C major, with C on the left and G, C, and E on the right. For this chord, we'll play both hands together, followed by F and F on the right. And then we return to F major and play the entire chord progression a second time. Now let's play through the entire intro. F major, F over A, B flat sus2, F over A, G minor 7, B flat, C major, and we'll play this twice. We'll call this chord progression P1 and it's played twice for the intro. This chord progression P1 is also played twice in the beginning of each verse section. So after playing P1 twice in the verse section, we have D minor 7 with D on the left and A, C, and F on the right. Next is G minor 7, which we learned earlier. Then we have C major with C on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Then we have F major, C over E, with the E bass on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Then we have D minor 7. So far we have D minor 7, G minor 7, C major, F major, C over E, and D minor 7. Then we have G minor 7, C7, with C on the left and G, B flat, and E on the right. Then we have F7 with F on the left and A, C, and E flat on the right. Let's go over that again. D minor 7, G minor 7, C major, F major, C over E, D minor 7, G minor 7, C7, and F7. Next is B flat major, with B flat on the left, and B flat, D, and F on the right. Next, we'll move our right middle finger from D to D flat and play B flat minor chord. Then we have F major, D minor 7. Next we have G minor 7, but we'll roll our chords from bottom to top like so. And we'll do the same for the next chord, C7. And end with F major to start our chorus section. Let's play the entire second half of the verse section. D minor 7, G major 7, C major, F major, C over E, and D minor 7. G minor 7, C7, F7, B flat major, and B flat minor. F major, D minor 7. Roll our G minor 7 chord, and roll our C7 chord. And then we have F major to start our chorus section. We'll call this pattern P2, and it is played in the second half of the verse sections of the song. Now for the rest of the song, we already know all the chords we need, so it's only a matter of memorizing the chord progression for the chorus. The chorus starts with F major, F over A, C over E, D minor 7, C major, and B flat major. Then we have B flat major again. F over A, G minor 7, and C7. Then we'll just repeat the chord progression again a second time. F major, F over A, C over E, D minor 7, C major, and B flat major. B flat major, F over A, G minor 7, and C7. We'll call this pattern P3, and it is played twice for the chorus sections. For the instrumental that comes right after the first chorus, we'll play our P1 chord progression. Then we'll play P1 chord progression a second time with a slight change at the end. Instead of playing B flat major and C major at the end, we'll play C7 sus4 with C on the left and G, B flat, and F on the right. Then we'll move our right pinky from F to E while keeping all the other keys and play our C7 chord. For the ending, you can use this nice jazzy chord F major 9 with F on the left and A, C, E, and G on the right. Have questions about this tutorial? Comment below.